Hi guys, definitely when you are about to open your laptop or phone to start out your daily online business, you head over to some certain websites to run this business. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the most 10 popular websites. 90% of you depend on them and they are dispensable for you. And of course, if you have different websites rather than this list, kindly mention them in the comment section. And now let's begin with the first website, that is Canva.com. For sure, Canva.com is a game changer for everyone who's working on graphic design, content creation, YouTube, and so on. Here on Canva.com, you can create what you love. You can create Instagram posts, Pinterest, presentations, YouTube, shorts, TikTok videos, and so on. So if you are working on the internet, you can use Canva to make your tools as you want. If you are a freelancer on Fiverr, Upwork, if you are a content creator on YouTube, if you are working on affiliate marketing, and so on. So the first website indispensable for the most of you, that is Canva.com. The second website, quickly, for sure, is Grammarly.com. It's one of the best tools to correct your spelling and your grammar mistakes while you are writing quickly paragraphs, titles, and so on. So you can take Grammarly as your server while you are working on the internet in different fields. You can install this Grammarly Chrome extension in your Chrome browser. You can save your time and save yourself from any mistakes regarding grammar or spelling. A third website, quickly, of course, is TempMail.org and any similar website that gives you some temporary mails or disposable emails. And for sure, most of you use temporary emails to try anything new instead of using your personal email. You can download some swipes, you can download some PDF files without sharing your online personal email and so on. So you can use tempmail.org as you want. And website number 4 today, that is ChatGPT. And of course, there is no doubt that ChatGPT is the king of AI tools. So here you can get help from ChatGPT in every field you are working in. So you can brainstorming ideas, some trends, you can give you titles, descriptions, and so on, or even articles, books, and much more. So 90% of you use ChatGPT on a daily basis. And likewise, of course, is Gemini.Google. However, I just stick to the previous one, ChatGPT, because it's a former and it's more popular than Gemini.Google. And of course, Gemini.Google had some updates in the last period, so you can use both websites, ChatGPT and Gemini.Google, to brainstorming ideas, to write articles, to rewrite anything just in few seconds. And the next tool, quickly, that is Creativecom. Creativecom is one of the best platforms for everyone who's working on print on demand and Kindle Amazon. Because regarding print on demand, Creativecom is packed with huge amounts, just about millions of done-for-you designs by professionals in almost every single niche and field, even trending topics. So if you are working on print on demand and you need different professional designs quickly, you can join Creativecom and use that daily. And if you're working on Kindle Amazon, of course, Creativecom has huge amounts, a huge library of low content books, such as coloring books for kids and for adults, for planners, journals, letters, and so on, from all these low content books. Millions of these books ready done for you. You can download them and upload them directly to your Amazon account. So how you can make money online from Creativecom in almost 12 different ways. Okay, so you can find this link down below in the description box and the first comment. So Creativecom, for a big section of you, use this amazing website on a daily basis. And the next tool, quickly, that is SpinRewriter.com. So Now, why SpinRewriter is in this list? Because Spinrewriter.com has a privilege to rewrite anything and rephrase it just in few seconds. Even this thing is lengthy articles, poke, and so on. And the best part here in Spinrewriter for bloggers and for someone who publish his article, Medium, and so on, to publish and spread his ideas, stories, or use all these articles as in affiliate marketing, Spinrewriter gets your pack. So here you can get on Spinrewriter even 1,000 new copies, and all of them are search engine optimized for your original article. And of course, here you can find an amazing section to humanize your articles amazingly to undetectable by any AI detector. So if you're working in a plugin business to make new copies of your article and your post, just you can use spinrewriter.com. And of course, any blogger knows this amazing website. And the next tool quickly likewise is Neuronwriter.com for anyone who's looking for making his article search engine optimized and rank higher on Google search results. Whether you are a blogger to write your articles to your website, or just you can sell your articles to different websites to earn money. So here on Neuronwriter.com, many bloggers and many writers rely on this wonderful website to optimize their articles. As you see, just here you can create and craft amazing article with high volume and rich in keywords, headings, subheadings, and so on that make your article high potentially to rank higher on Google search results in no time. So Neuronwriter.com is a crucial tool for many bloggers and writers in plugin business or as a freelancer to optimize the articles of the client and so on. Neuronwriter is an amazing tool for search engine optimizing and plugin business. And the next tool quickly, that is Unsplash.com and any similar website like Pixabay, Pixels, and such, where you can find beautiful and relevant images to your topic and your idea. And the next tool quickly, of course, that is Pinterest.com. And for sure, Pinterest.com, one of the most popular social media platforms out there. And why I select and pick Pinterest and no Instagram or TikTok? Because Pinterest not only as a social media, but also as an inspirational resource for many people who are working on some niches. One of them that is home decor. So if you are working on home decor, Pinterest is the first destination for you to market your items and your products. As you see, if you are working on a fitness niche, dog niche, cat niche, and so on, Pinterest destinations for you to market your projects. Moreover, if you are working on print-on-demand business on Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, or TeePublic, here you can use Pinterest.com to promote and market your items and your designs professionally and get more traffic to your account and your store to make many sales. Here on Pinterest, you can promote freely your websites, your YouTube videos, your stores, digital products as you want successfully. Here on Pinterest is easier than Instagram to promote your affiliate products, even by promoting your products in link in bio or in single pins using landing pages. Of course, it's easier than Instagram to promote your products and your items. So here you got some websites. 90% of you use them daily and they are indispensable for them. Whether you are a content creator or a blogger or a graphic designer and such. And as I said earlier, if you have some websites rather than this list, kindly mention them in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you later.